Really cool thing. On Fridays, I do trade reviews. That's what today is, Friday. Therefore, I chose a trade review from out there on the real life trading community to talk about, discuss, analyze, break down, and segment about what we could have done good, better, great, bad, and all in between. Hope you enjoy this trade review. Hey real life traders, it's Jeremy Newsom with your Friday trade review. Today, we're gonna be looking at a trade that Pam took on MAXR Technologies. First and foremost, let's talk about this particular company on a bigger time frame. One thing we really want to keep an eye on is, well, bottom line, this company. This is a phenomenal breakout. The stock has been building pressure for quite some time. We really accumulated for a while, trading sideways, looking quite beautiful with this accumulation, breaking out, retesting, double bottom, and just phenomenal breakout last week. Also, if you pop over to a monthly chart, you can also see some double bottom action, higher lows, some just good looking candles in general, and a lot of upside room on this one. So here's the thought. With this gap occurring above resistance, really breaking out of all these pivots, this is a strong stock to keep your eyes on. And really, you could be watching this one for the next few weeks and or months to be looking at playing it bullish. Here's how Pam play this one bullish today. Took MAXR bullish this morning, working out well so far. So let's just go pop up and check it out. Let's go look at this trade together. So MAXR, what she is using is the 105 and the 50 EMA. So the 50 EMA is this pink line and the 105 is this purple line. And pretty much the way Pam is playing it, quite simple. If the trend is bullish, buy it off of the support, or buy the breakout. You can actually see yesterday, right, really nice consolidation yesterday for about a good hour and a half, and then a breakout yesterday at 26.40 that went up all the way up to 28. That's $1.40. I mean, that's a solid move. Even if you just captured a good classic dollar here on that breakout, 26.60 to 27.60. I mean, on 1,000 shares, it's $1,000 every way you slice it. So bottom line today, you can see pre-market, we traded back down into old resistance, new support. The old resistance, of course, is that breakout from just yesterday, pulled into the moving averages and posted a perfect double bottom. Pam noticed that double bottom, let it break out, played the retest of the neckline, and got in as it broke above this bearish candle and this bearish candle and played it long. So let's go see on a 5-minute chart how she nailed it. All right, 5-minute time frame on MAXR. So zooming into the 5-minute chart, pretty much what we have is you can see the double bottom pretty clearly here and just an overall nice bounce. A little bit of a double top, and it looks like she might have gotten trailed out around 27.31. Yep, her stop loss is 27.20. So with an entry here, stop loss here, and stop move to a place where there's no way, relatively impossible to lose on the trade. Looks like Pam came out a winner on MAXR. So Pam, great trade, ended up closing around 26.90 and some change. So if we come back over here to the daily chart, you can see nice lower shadow inside bear candle. But again, want to bring the stock to your attention anyway, because I do think this is a good opportunity and a good stock to just watch in general. Because, well, trend looks good, chart looks good, company looks good, direction looks good, and it's a pretty volatile company overall. And volatility is a good thing as long as you know risk and how all that works. Quick, harmless, self-promotional sales pitch. We do have an options class coming up on Monday. This is Friday. So if you go over to reallifetrading.com and click on live class, if you're watching this and always want to learn a little bit more about options, I'll be doing a nice solid 2-hour chunk of information this Monday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, which is 5:30 p.m. Central. So if you want to learn a little bit about stock insurance, how to protect yourself, how to use puts, it's probably a very good time to learn puts, especially since the market is quickly approaching the all-time high resistance. And again, you can see this really nice all-time high resistance right there. Some small candles and a lot of downside room to break if it starts dropping. So again, bottom line, probably not the worst time in the world to start learning how some puts work and how to take advantage of both up moves and down moves with options. So anyway, be there if you want. Looking forward to it. Folks from around the world, you rock. I hope this was a helpful trade review. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye. Okay, that was your Friday trade review. Thank you for watching. You are a majestically marvelous human being. I'll see you later. Bye.